Hello everybody, welcome back to Xpert Skin. Today I'm going to be showing you a 30% lactic acid chemical peel. My client today has a lot of pigmentation and we're going to do a series of about 6 chemical peels and I'll be showing you each one of them to show you the difference on her skin. I've already cleansed and prepped and exfoliated her skin, and right now I'm just doing some witch hazel to make sure I get any residue off, any of the cleanser off, and you always want to prep the skin with witch hazel before you do a microdermabrasion or a chemical peel or any type of facial treatment, just to make sure it's all prepped and ready. And I'm going to apply her 30% lactic acid peel with a cotton ball. A lot of the watery chemical peels will be applied with a cotton ball, and then I'm going to monitor her and ask her what her pain level is on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being high, and then I'm going to fan her to keep her comfortable and cool during the treatment. If the client is at a 7 or 8, I will neutralize it. This time I kept it on about 3 minutes. She seemed to be doing well, but I was getting to know her skin, so I wanted to be conservative in this. Now I'm just making sure I got all of it off. We did do a hydrating vitamin mask afterwards. I'm just making sure I got all of that off. I'm going to apply some serum now, a vitamin C serum to help with pigmentation. I'm going to make sure I put on some eye cream next. And then my secret weapon always is my ancient Greek remedy oil. I absolutely love it. I use it on every client unless they are allergic to it. But it is my secret weapon when it comes to anti-aging. There's the eye cream. And of course, I always finish off every client with a spritz of toner. This one is a coconut toner. And then I'm going to apply a moisturizer, a heavier moisturizer mixed with SPF, because you never want to leave your client without SPF protection, especially after they've done a chemical peel treatment. All usually 30 or higher. So, just want to show everybody chemical peels are not that scary.